Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to make good thumbnails for YouTube videos. Here are the steps to make good YouTube thumbnails using Canva. Open Canva on your browser and make sure to sign in with your account. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail and press enter. Choose a template that fits your video's theme or click blank thumbnail to start from scratch. Click Uploads, Upload Files, click on your chosen file, then hit Open to add your own images, screenshots, or branding assets. Drag and drop your photo or video frame onto the canvas. Use position and crop tools to center and adjust the size of your image. Add the bold text using the text, add a heading option, write your video title or hook. Choose fonts and colors that are easy to read and contrast well with your background. Add elements like arrows, shapes, or emojis from the Elements tab to grab attention. Keep the design simple and focused. Avoid clutter and stick to 2 to 3 main visuals elements. Click Share, then Download. File type JPG or PNG. Click Download to save your finished thumbnail. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.